Hey, this is Chris Sussman, aka the BBQ Buddha, and I'm going to show you my lamb shawarma recipe. Thankfully, I constructed the shawarma setup with these handy dandy bamboo skewers from Big Green Egg and a Big Green Egg roasting pan. We're ready to put this in, but first I set it up with indirect cooking with the expander base, holding the convector, and I got it out of my modular nest table in the handy drawers right down here. So now that we're all set up, about 350, and this is going to roast for an hour or so, we're going to put her in. Let's get it going. See you in a little while. Hey, welcome back. We're going to check in on this lamb shawarma. It's been about an hour. We're going to see how it's doing. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess the thing about constructing your own tower of lamb is sometimes it'll fall over during the cook. No worries. This thing is looking beautiful. The onions are caramelized. All that fat is rendered out. This looks delicious. Let's just use the Big Green Egg instant read thermometer and see if the temp is ready to go. I suspect it is. Perfect. We're right at about 145, which is where you want to be with lamb. We're going to take this off, let it rest for about 10 minutes, and while we do that, I'm going to spread some olive oil on some naan bread and grill it so we can make some delicious shawarma sandwiches in a few minutes. As my leaning tower of shawarma fell earlier, I'm just going to use the Big Green Egg tongs to hold it in place while I slice some of this off for this delicious sandwich. Look at how beautiful that looks, and it's just falling right into all that fat that rendered and the spices, the lemon juice. You can see the flakes of the red pepper that was in there. It'll give a little extra spiciness. And take these onions on the bottom, chop them up. Now we'll take a piece of this perfectly grilled naan. Make sure that we've got lots of drippings in here. Get some of those caramelized roasted onions. Boy, this is looking good. Now I've got a squeeze of lemon to give a little bit more acidity and some tzatziki sauce. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the BBQ Buddha's Big Green Egg lamb shawarma on some beautifully grilled naan. This is an awesome meal.